Many gardens struggle, but the real issue is often hidden just beneath the surface, in the world of soil biology. Most soils are dormant, microbes are present but inactive, leaving nutrients locked away and plants undernourished. Chemical fertilizers may give a quick boost, but they harm the soil's natural systems, creating dependency and weak plants. Plants show yellowing leaves, stunted growth and poor yields, no matter how much we intervene. The secret isn't more fertilizer. It's reawakening the living world beneath our feet. The solution starts by reviving this silent, sleeping ecosystem. The journey begins below the surface. Japanese farmers have long known the answer: soil fermentation. Instead of adding more chemicals, they use a fermented activator to wake up the soil's microbes. This simple liquid introduces beneficial bacteria and fungi, jump-starting the soil food web. Unlike chemical fertilizers, which force-feed plants, fermentation feeds the soil, making nutrients available naturally and steadily. The microbes digest organic matter, releasing a balanced diet for plants and improving soil structure and water retention. Fermentation empowers the soil to sustain itself, reducing the need for constant inputs. The process is simple, affordable, and can be done at home, putting the power back in the gardener's hands. By working with nature, not against it, we restore the soil's natural fertility. This ancient method transforms gardens by cultivating a living ecosystem, not just growing plants. The secret to thriving gardens is in waking up the soil's microbial life. Let's see how you can do it yourself. Making your own fermented soil activator is easy and only takes a few ingredients. You'll need a clean bucket, water, molasses or brown sugar, bran, and a handful of healthy soil. Mix everything well in the bucket, cover loosely, and place in a warm, shaded spot. After 5 to 10 days, bubbles and a sweet, tangy scent mean it's ready. Your homemade activator is now ready to use. Next, let's apply it for maximum effect. To use your activator, dilute it, 1 part activator to 20 parts water. Apply as a soil drench at the base of plants, delivering microbes directly to the root zone. You can also spray it on leaves. This helps outcompete pathogens and provides a gentle nutrient boost. Apply in the early morning or evening for best results. Regular use, every week or 2, keeps the soil ecosystem thriving. After application, microbes break down organic matter, unlocking nutrients and improving soil structure. Fungal networks expand, water retention increases, and earthworms return. Plants grow faster, stronger, and more resilient, not from chemicals, but from a living, balanced soil. Roots deepen, leaves darken, and the whole garden becomes more productive. This is the natural way to unlock your plant's full potential. The transformation is visible and lasting. Let's see how this fits into a sustainable gardening philosophy. Soil fermentation fits perfectly with no-dig gardening, enriching the top layers and mimicking natural forest cycles. In containers, it keeps potting soil alive and productive, reducing the need for replacement. Success depends on warmth, moist soil, and not overusing the activator. Watch for healthy signs like darker leaves and more worms. Avoid chlorinated water, tightly sealed buckets, or foul-smelling brews. Over time, your soil becomes darker, richer, and more self-sustaining. The need for fertilizers and pesticides drops dramatically. You become a steward of a thriving ecosystem, not just a gardener. This approach is a quiet revolution, working with nature, not against it. The greatest abundance comes from living soil, not chemicals. By feeding the soil, you join the fundamental process of life itself. Nature rewards you with a garden that flourishes beyond expectation.